In the name of Allah, the gracious, the most merciful. Very, very good morning, students. Today, we will discuss about the last dominance relation, which is over-dominance. Over-dominance is a fascinating dominance because heterozygote exceeds in quantity the phenotypic expression of both the homozygotes. Heterozygote will be superior as compared to their homozygotes. Over-dominance, it is the interaction between the genes that are alleles and result in the heterozygous individual being superior to either of their homozygotes. Now we will explain it. This dominance relation is fascinating because the over-dominant heterozygote exceeds in quantity the phenotypic expression of both homozygotes. Now we will take the example of fruit fly. Homozygote wild fruit fly Drosophila melanogater has pigments in their eyes, and homozygote or homozygous mutant flies have white eyes and their genotype is WW. Homozygous wild Drosophila have genotype W plus, and their heterozygote, when we get the heterozygote, there is more pigments in their eyes. There is fluorescent pigments in the heterozygote as compared to their homozygotes. Example, in fruit fly Drosophila, the heterozygote W plus W has more quantity of fluorescent pigments in eyes than wild or white-eyed homozygote. Heterozygote is more fluorescent, is more superior as compared to wild homozygotes, and white-eyed homozygotes are mutant homozygotes. See, in this case, homozygote wild Drosophila W plus pigmented eyes. Pigmented eyes. Homozygote mutant WW genotype has white eyes. White eyes. When we get offspring after crossing these two types of homozygotes, wild and mutant, we get heterozygote. Heterozygote Genotype A W plus W. These flies have fluorescent pigments. Fluorescent pigments. Fluorescent pigments. Superior. It is superior. Heterozygote is superior as compared to their homozygotes. This is the overdominance. Thank you very much.